Now big shout out to BenQ for allowing me to do this. So here we are, this is BenQ ScreenBar Plus e-reading lamp. Now my overall opinion on the BenQ reading lamp. Anyway, how do you enter the giveaway? What's going on guys, CasualSavage here, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing BenQ's ScreenBar Plus e-reading lamp. Now big shout out to BenQ for allowing me to do this. Also, they are allowing me to give away one of these to you guys as well. Now, if you want to know how to enter, watch the video, and at the end, I'll tell you exactly how you can enter. So here we are, this is BenQ ScreenBar Plus e-reading lamp. We're going to start off here with a very basic and quick unboxing. Now, just on the back of the box, there is, of course, step-by-step instructions how to set it up. It's very simple. Now, when you open the box, you're going to be presented with three things. First thing is, of course, the actual controller for the light, which allows you to control it from warm to cool and also dim it down or up. We then get the actual holder for the light, and this thing on the back has quite a bit of weight. It's also very sturdy, so the light won't be going anywhere. And the final thing, of course, is the light itself. Now, very surprisingly, it's very light, and also it actually feels quite nice as well. And the back is, of course, the power connection, and of course it is a USB powered light. This, of course, giving the benefits, saving you space and not being plugged into the mains. Now I'm going to be showing you how to set it up. So the first thing you need, of course, is the holder or the clamp. You just need to attach this to the back of your monitor. You can see it should be sitting firmly like on screen right now. Next thing we're going to do is put the light in position. It's very simple, just clip it into place, and then of course you can rotate it how you like it. Just make sure the light at the back does show where the power connection is, so of course it fits into that gap. And of course the final thing is the controller. So there's two ports that come out of this, the USB and of course the main power supply. So I'm going to plug my USB into this extension right here. Then we're going to put the power into the back of the light. And believe it or not, simple as that, we are now set up. So just make sure it looks something similar like this. You can see there's only basically two cables you're going to be working with, and it will save a lot of room just sitting on top of your monitor. Now very quickly I'm going to be showing you a size comparison and how much space this reading lamp actually saves. So this is of course the new one. And then this right here is my old lamp. Now it would plug into the mains, it would have a big base to it, then you would have to extend it out and it would just cause a lot of clutter on the desk. So now I've put this book on the table, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Highly recommend you guys to read it if you are a fan of reading or a fan of business or just need a book to read. It's a very good book. Anyway, what we're going to be doing is testing the light itself. So currently it's set to the warm feature, and as you can see you can adjust the warmth of it simply by turning the knob. Now if you press the button you can change it so it's now a cooler light. And again, if you want to adjust the brightness of this, you just simply turn the knob. Now another great thing, there's actually an auto dimming feature, and the ambient light sensor built in will pick up the environment and pick the appropriate light source it believes is best for you. Now my overall opinion on the BenQ reading lamp, I really like it. The main reason is for it saves space. It is very bright. You can control the warmth, you can control how bright the light actually is as well. I say the one disadvantage which I have found, I can't turn it all the way, of course, because of where the port is at the back, so you are limited to the amount of turning. Otherwise, very good reading lamp. And of course, if you guys follow me on Snapchat, you know I read quite a lot of books. Anyway, how do you enter the giveaway? Well, super simple. Head over to the description, there you will find a link, and there'll be social media links, there'll be this, that, For example, subscribe to my channel, it gives you +1 point. The more things you do, the higher chance you will get entered, or you will get a chance of winning the giveaway. Now the date I'm releasing this is the 23rd of June 2020, therefore I'm going to be announcing the winner on the 1st of July 2020. So enter now, and then I'll reveal the winner next week.